Hi everyone, welcome to Technology 295. Today we will be exploring the 7 kitchen gadgets. Introducing the modern multifunction waterfall kitchen sink, crafted from durable 304 stainless steel in sleek black finish. Featuring a single bowl design, this sink is not only stylish but also highly functional. The unique waterfall edge adds a modern touch to any kitchen, while the rainfall kitchen enhances the overall look. Perfect for a contemporary kitchen upgrade that combines style and practicality. Introducing the 1800 ml electric slow stewer, designed to elevate your cooking experience at home. This household multi-cooker boasts an automatic stewing function, making meal prep a breeze. With its ceramic cooking pot and 220V power, enjoy flavorful and delicious dishes every time. Say goodbye to traditional cooking methods and embrace the convenience and efficiency of this versatile appliance. Introducing the new electric warming tray with adjustable temperature. Keep your meals warm and delicious with ease. This foldable food warmer offers fast heating for your convenience. Upgrade your dining experience and impress your guests with perfectly heated dishes every time. Introducing the electric deep fryer. Enjoy crispy, delicious fried foods at home with ease. This compact and efficient fryer is perfect for creating your favorite dishes. Say goodbye to greasy takeout and cook up your own mouth-watering treats. Upgrade your kitchen with the Grandpappy electric deep fryer. Transform your kitchen into a health haven with the Biolomix cold press juicer. Enjoy fresh and nutrient-packed juices with ease thanks to its 78mm wide feed chute. With a powerful 200W motor and slow masticating technology, this juicer effortlessly extracts juice from entire fruits. Elevate your wellness journey and enjoy the delicious benefits of whole food juicing today. Digital timer featuring a magnetic suction function for easy attachment to metal surfaces, a loud or mute alarm with 3 levels of volume, and a convenient countdown timer that can be set for various durations. It offers the flexibility of USB charging, making it compatible with different devices and easy to carry around. The large LED display with super large numbers ensures clear visibility from various angles. Introducing the Digital Kitchen Coffee Scale, your ultimate partner in precision brewing. This high-tech scale boasts unparalleled accuracy for measuring coffee grounds and water down to the last drop. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to consistently delicious espresso and coffee at home. Rechargeable and equipped with a sleek design,